एक्चुअली फीमेल का जो जेनिटल यूरिनरी जो सिस्टम है उसका सबसे कॉमन पार्ट ऐसा होता है कि फीमेल का जो यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट है दैट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल इन लेंथ अराउंड 4 सेंटीमीटर ओनली. सो फीमेल्स आर मोर प्रोन टू हैव यूटीआई एज कम्पेयर टू मेल because male are having around 20 centimeter of urethra that is quite long, so they don't have urinary infection very frequently. But in females, as it is very small, so they are more prone to develop UTI. And because of UTI they can have burning in micturition, fever and increased frequency of urine. These kind of symptoms they can have, and these are the most common symptom. Other than that, some other symptoms are can also be there, just like if female is diabetic, then she can have high grade fever with chills. Then in that case we usually think the state of pyelonephritis. It means the infection has gone to the kidneys and kidneys has affect. This the most important thing is to prevent UTI is first you should avoid using that public toilets and maintain hygiene. And third is drink a lot of water, because more amount of water will produce more amount of urine in the body and the things will flush out. The take home message that I can give you as a urologist or as a general surgeon, since last 5 years I have seen many patients of UTI and urine related issues. The only take home message is drink a lot of water, because as much as hydration you have, your kidney function will be much better, and the urine amount will be good, toxins will be excreted in the urine nicely, and as much as water you will drink, it will reduce the effect of UTI as well as prevention of stone also. Of the patients we have seen, they have water intake of less than 1.5 liter, and daily requirement is around 2 to 2.5 liter. So this is the most common cause I have found, and with this increased amount of water and proper hygiene maintenance, we can get rid of this UTI virus.